Good morning, everyone. In today's video, we learn about nominative and accusative in German language. What is nominative and what is accusative, and where we are going to use this. As we already know, we make a sentence like subject plus verb plus object in German language. Subject is nominative and object is accusative. We can say that like this: Ich habe ein Auto. Ich is subject, and habe is a verb, and ein Auto is object. An Objekt in Deutsch. Nominative, subject of the sentence. What is nominative? Nominative is the subject of the sentence, and if there is a sein, werden, scheinen, heißen, and bleiben verb, then the whole sentence is nominative. Das ist ein Auto. Here ein Auto is nominative because there is a sein verb ist. Ich werde Lehrer werden. This is also nominative sentence because the verb is werden. And what is accusative? Direct object of the sentence. Ich habe ein Auto, and here ein Auto is accusative because it is object, and ich is the subject, then is the nominative. So, nominative basically subject of the sentence, and nominative is the Grund form. We can answer the question where and was in nominative, and we learn that is in W-Frage, W-Frage. And accusative is the direct object of the sentence, and we answer the question like where and when in this, when and was in this. So, article, bestimmt article, and what is the difference between article nominative and accusative? Now, wherever we have a masculine article, we change there into then, ein into einen, and kein into keinen, and you can see like this. And rest all feminine, neutral, and plural are same in nominative and accusative. So, in accusative case, we put instead of there we write then in case of masculine article, masculine gender. Same einen in place of ein and keinen in place of kein. We can check in the example. Das ist ein Tisch. Here ein Tisch is nominative because this is sein verb ist. Und ich habe einen Tisch, we put einen because einen is accusative. This is the object here, and ich is nominative in this. Das ist eine Tasche. Eine Tasche is nominative because of the verb. Ich habe eine Tasche. Here eine Tasche is accusative, and in feminine there is no change. Eine is eine only. Das ist ein Handy, and ich habe ein Handy. Das ist ein Handy is a nominative because of the verb, and ich habe ein Handy. Ein Handy is accusative because the object of the sentence. You can write us if you have any doubt, any concern. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.